Those two T20s, the one on the top and the one on the bottom, really are a bit of a challenge to get in. So I did the top first because the bottom you can get to very easily by comparison. And actually that's it right there. That's the bottom one. It's the top one that's a bit of a challenge. Now the module has a big groove track along the top that you can actually kind of lay the T20 into, and then with your head under the dash you can line up the piece, line up this module with the screw hole it's going into, and then slowly push, once it's lined up, slowly push the T20 into place and screw it into place, which is how it worked out for me. And then the bottom was really simple. So now that that's done, now it's just gonna be a matter of putting all the pieces back together. So that lower plate will go on first, that one that just pulls on. It will hook on the left and will set in on the right. I'll show that once I have it in place. So you hook it on the right side right here. There's a big hook. Don't let it scratch your interior. You hook it behind and then slowly work it up into place. As you can see, there's a little loop right there and a little hook on this plate. It hooks in and slides in. Don't forget to plug your footwell lamp back in right there. Now the next piece is going to be all this upper assembly that goes back in. So I'm going to have to lay the glove box back in here with that upper assembly on top. Now what I ended up doing is I did end up unhooking it all. All the wires go back in the same place, and there's wire traces on all of that upper assembly. So I'm going to wire all this back in, and then I'll show you what that looks like. With all the wiring on this upper piece, it's just a matter of plugging your glove box light back in, weaving the cable back and forth between all the tabs. And you can see, hopefully, the back one as well here that goes all the way across the back, plugs into that lower connection and plugs into your socket for your flashlight over on this side. Everything plugs in nice, neat, and cleanly. So that's going to be a matter of lifting this piece back into place and putting all of the screws that you took out back in to hold it up, and then we'll put the glove box up.